OnePlus might be preparing one of the craziest performance phones we've ever seen. According to the latest leaks, the upcoming OnePlus Ace 7T could completely redefine what we expect from a gaming-focused smartphone. The biggest headline is the battery, of course. Rumors suggest a massive 10,000 mAh battery, which is almost double what many flagship phones offer today. And this also makes the OnePlus Ace 7T a OnePlus device with the largest battery capacity. This is of course if it turns out to be true, because all these are based on leaks and rumors. Now, performance is also expected to be a major focus. The device is reportedly being tested with Qualcomm's upcoming 8th Gen 6 processor, having in mind that it's not the 8 Elite but the standard 8th Gen 6. But you're still gonna get flagship level power for gaming, multitasking and other demanding tasks. Now there's the display. Leaks points to a 1.5K LTPS flat panel with a stunning 185Hz refresh rate. What's even more interesting is that OnePlus is reportedly testing an active cooling fan inside the device. If that feature makes it to the final product, the Ace 7T could maintain peak performance for much longer during heavy gaming sessions without excessive throttling. Of course, these are still early leaks and specifications can change before launch, but if OnePlus manages to deliver a 10,000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 performance, a 185Hz display and an active cooling fan in one package, the Ace 7T could become one of the most exciting performance smartphones of 2026. So these are just some of the top features of the upcoming OnePlus Ace 7T. As I said earlier, these are based on leaks and rumors, so please take them with a pinch of salt. But of course, since the device is expected to launch before the end of June, more details about the device would definitely surface, and of course some of these details may be correct, having in mind that all these details may not be entirely accurate. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.